All right, this is E for eMiniWizard and MarketWizards.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose if you're playing this game. We're just about ending the IB, and quick review for our traders. When we talked earlier, we had suggested that the next potential box that we were in, based on this frame, was this idea right here with this 85 to 86 area as resistance, and the bottom of that box is 33 and a half. And we said all we know is once we take out this low, right, that 71 area, then this box becomes available, and we don't know whether we can get all the way here or not. So this is a review of where these ideas came from. So based on this structure, this 33 and a half target has played out nicely. And if you're putting together 2 or 3 charts and ideas, there's a reminder of that trade sequence. And why, when we posted this back at around 9 o'clock in the room, we said these are potential targets. Zeek had made the observation that we have an angel in that 32 and a quarter area, 32 and a quarter from that 2603 low. Important idea. That was that was one of the biggest angels we ever saw, as I recall, right? That was like a 30-point angel. Correct? I remember that. Great post, Zeek. Also got a GCF at 34. And I noted this chart as lining up with those ideas of Zeek's. I said, okay, potential target. Let's use that and see if we can get there. Hit a bounce. And as you'll recall, this chart we had on, which was a Globex chart, and at the time we had it, this is a 30 right now, but at the time we had this set at like a 10-minute chart. And 15-minute chart. And we said, make sure you are paid by 62s if you took a long side trade, because we would prefer the trend trade. But look at this huge bounce off of that target that we had talked about. I said, we're going to get ourselves 20-point bounces today, just because of the spread, just because of the length of this move. So today is a two-way day, but the trend trades really, once we're driving towards big targets, have been easier. So now the game begins because we've got a very big level that we just hit. We said, let's use that 28 to 32 as support. Anybody wants to buy, but you should have profits that you're willing to risk if you're going to take that trade. And these are where these type of bounces come seemingly out of nowhere. But that's the advantage this system will give you, because we already know our potential targets. And as we get close to them, then that's where risk and reward starts to come in. So this quick review, I hope it helps to put together those ideas to show you what we were thinking and why we felt that was a potential target. Anybody's taking trades against the big push, make sure you understand you're going to need several rotations today. Don't know if the low is in yet for the day or not, and I truthfully don't care. If you've had a good morning already, you can go play golf, but seeing as I'm back here and cloudy and ill-tempered Connecticut right now. No chance to go to the hot tub or the pool or play golf right now, and 17 degrees coming by the end of the week. Not much fun in sight for outdoor activities. Even at typical football games, we like to play outside. Going to be too cold for that. Great trade. Anybody that got the 33 targets. If you took a contra, make sure you are paid 52s to 55s.